Hi, I'm Brandon Wilson from Illinois Supply Company. Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to swap out your Narcan chutes and your wall-mounted gravity-fed vending machines and put in Padagis generic chutes instead. So here we go. The back panel here is all Velcro. So actually your old chutes pop out very, very quickly and easily. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the 5 Narcan chutes come out. Now, unfortunately, since the Padagis boxes are wider, you don't get 5 chutes in. But since the boxes are shorter, you actually get more capacity. So what I like to do is take 2 boxes of the Padagis. Sometimes you stretch these out a little bit to break them in. And put them in. And what you're kind of aiming to do is start with your first chute right up against the left and make it so that you have about 1.5 boxes exposed at the bottom. And then just stick it in like that. The Velcro sticks. It gets a good seal on there, you're good to go. And it does work. You've got enough room at the top to add more in. And then you just put your subsequent chutes next to it. And so you see after we put the 4th one in here, we're still not blocking the latch mechanism for the door lock. You can return your Naloxone chutes to us, or you can store them for if you need them again down the road. And you were asking the question of can you put your Narcan boxes in there for the leftover Narcan you have, and I think the answer to that question is yes. You just have to shove them in, and you will be good to go. So thank you for watching this video. Reach out to us if you have any questions, and we'll get you squared away. Thank you.